Welcome to today's Business Report. I'm Denise Williams, here to bring you the stories shaping the financial world and guiding your journey to smarter business decisions. Let's dive into the top headlines. It was the best of times and the worst of times for listed companies on the Jamaica Stock Exchange that released their most recent financial results. First up, real estate property owner and landlord Stanley Motor Limited unaudited financials for the 12 months ending December 31, 2024 reports a 76% increase in year-end net profit. Next, real estate developer and consumer goods distributor Fontana Limited unaudited financials for the 6 months ending December 31, 2024 reports 6 months net profit of $387 million. However, media conglomerate Radio Jamaica Limited, RJR, unaudited financials for the 9 months ending December 31, 2024 report 9 months net loss of $329.39 million. And Mailpack Group Limited unaudited financials for the 12 months ending December 31, 2024 reports a year-end net profit of $253.15 million. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica says consumers have paid less for goods in January 2025 than in December 2024. Statin reports that consumer prices dipped by 0.3 percentage points in January, compared with an increase of 1.2 percentage points in December. Porsche Jamaica senior sales executive Rashida Gopi says that sales of the $45 million Porsche 911 Carrera 4GTS T-Hybrid have been doing well. She explained, "We have been improving in terms of sales volumes. Order demands for the 911 have increased since 2022. So we moved from first ever selling over 50 units in 2022 to getting closer to 60 units in 2024, with us selling for the first time in 2024 4 $45 million 911s in 1 month. Gopi pointed out, so our pace has been steady, but we're now looking to do about 70 to 80 sales of this car for this year. That's the target we're working on. She continued in her interview with ourtoday.com saying, "We as Jamaicans, we're very proud people. We like to be the one that has the only one of this type. So it's not a surprise to me. It's just in our nature, in our culture." For the trading period ending February 17, 2025, these were the most actively traded stocks. Toll road operator Trans-Jamaican Highway Limited with 5,214,348 units traded, representing 26.32% of market sales volume. Alternative energy provider Wigton Energy Limited with 2,025,979 units traded, representing 10.23% of market sales volume. Advertising agency and real estate holding company Kentire Holdings Jamaica Limited with 2,014,174 units traded, representing 10.17% of market sales volume. On February 17, 2025, the Bank of Jamaica reported US $40.87 million purchased and US $51.66 million sold by Forex traders. Forex traders earned $1.80 per dollar, selling the US at $158.44 and buying the US at $156.64. The Canadian dollar netted Forex traders $1.35 per transactions, with selling at $111.97 and buying at $110.62. The British pound yielded Forex traders 90 cents in profit, with selling at $198.82 and buying at $197.92. For our credit report tip of the day, every step you take to improve your credit score is a strategic investment in your financial future, one that opens doors to lasting opportunities. Let's look at how we can make some positive changes. First, aim for improved loan approvals. A better credit score increases your chances of getting approved for both personal and business loans. Or consider favorable refinancing options. A better credit score unlocks opportunities to refinance existing debt at better rates. Another benefit is reduced monthly payments. A better credit score lowers interest and fees, leading to more manageable monthly expenses. Now, if you are building something from nothing and looking for resilience and recovery in your financial life, you're familiar with burnout. When burnout strikes, even our best intentions can lead to decisions that strain our cash flow and shake our confidence, particularly for professional women over the age of 45. Now, consider pairing common challenges with strategies designed to help you regain control. So if your challenge is insufficient retirement contributions, then your strategy is to prioritize retirement contributions. So you're going to invest in your future self. How about the challenge of inconsistent income streams, which then causes a lot of connected challenges? Then your strategy is to explore additional income streams that align with your passions. And here's the big one: rising cost of living. Now, this requires a strategy of reviewing and adjusting spending habits regularly. And that wraps up today's business report. I'm Denise Williams, reminding you that every financial decision is a step toward your future. Until next time, stay focused, stay informed, and keep striving for success. See you soon.